So this is exercise 3 and part 2 on Discovering Music Theory grade 5, Music and Context part 2. So exercise 3, study this music for violin and piano and then answer the questions that follow. So we can see that there are two instruments, violin and piano, and compare the following bars to the violin part in bar 7, then tick the one correct statement. I'll let you have about 30 seconds to analyse this piece. Okay, I think that's enough thinking time. So, compare the following bars. So we're going to see is what's going to be the correct answer. A, B, and C are correctly related 2 octaves lower than 7 and 8. 7 and 8, where's 7 and 8? Okay, that and that's very high. That's double C. 2 octaves lower, so it should be around middle C. So that's middle, and that's middle, and that's middle. Yeah, they're all correct. Wow. First one on the trot and got that all correct. So, circle true or false for each statement. The tempo should be fast and allegro. That's false, is andantino, or nearly andante, I mean. The violin begins with 3 bows down. That is true. We know this by this 3 bow symbol. The right hand piano bar 7 is made up entirely from major thirds. That is false. Left hand piano contains acciaccatos. True. And the highest note in this part is G. No, it's not. Which instrument is best suited to play the violin so it sounds at the same pitch? Well, the same pitch is quite high. It could be a bassoon or a cello. Could be a horn, but I think that's a bit too low if it's an F, so it has to be a flute. Submedian note. I'll just tell you here, you don't need to check. It will be 4. In bar 8 and bar 9. Okay, and study this piece. You can study it, and you can pause the video if you want. Complete the following bars to the left-hand part of bar 1. Okay. So A, B, and C are currently resting at the same pitch. So this is left hand, and it has to be quite low, 1 octave lower. That's 1 octave lower than C, 1 octave lower than C, and again 1 octave lower C. Again, first one. That is correct. Here should be repeated from the beginning. Well, that obviously is true, since there is a repeat mark. The left hand should be always played detached. Staccato sempre. Oh, I don't know what I just did there. Oh no. Yes. It should, that is true. The right hand contains major 6 from bar 7. True. The right hand contains appoggiaturas. False. And the key of the music is C minor. False. Which one is best suited to the right hand phrase in bar 1 so it sounds the same octave? Well, one string is play, so it's quite low. Sorry. It's about middle. So this would probably best suit with an oboe if it's around the middle. How many times subnote? It's 3 times. They're accented notes in bar 2 and bar 4. Same rhythm bar 3 as bar 5. So that is part 2, and music and context.